All right, French toast over it. Yeah, the French toast. And then here we go. Huh? Lila, nangito zakhona. Yavela into zalana wena. I can't help it. Ngakhandle lapha ngithi phela mase kuphelile lapha ka my friend kusala wona la ugesi awukho njengayizolo bokuyi power cut. Base uthenga sesibaningi sekhona lawa sela amakhala lawa. Zabuya. Mhlambe yazi sometimes ezinye ziba aligned. Ithi ngibonisa. Ezinye into ziba aligned. Yebo. Bese maqeda lapho so uthi hayi candle it's just a candle just light it, eh? Sebusuku. Alright guys, I did my hair. So slightly la candle izolo ngathi uNkulunkulu kwazi wena mhlambe nje alignment ukuthi must use that one. So we are toasting. Yeah. Toasting. Lengoma ekhala ngicela bangangibuki kulokhu uzana ku YouTube. Ngizoze ngingasatholi ama-views ngenxa yalento bese ba-block i-account i-video yami ngoba mbe ngihleli naye uyabekadlala ingoma. So yeah, breakfast. Yeah. Then voila, it's good morning. It's a Thursday. I don't need the past. Yes, I don't know. Which is the point? I don't know. What that means. Sarap. I'll just cut. Alright, I can't say right. Just enjoy. Making sure. You need to make sure, yeah. That's alright.